So JMeter prerequisites will be, first thing will be Java. So you need to check for the Java there, not there means command prompt. You need to open for the command prompt in your system and open. And after that, you can just type as a Java and click on this. See, like this it is coming means your system will be Java file will be there. So maybe you are getting for the Java is unrecognized command, you are getting that type means in your system Java is not there. So then you need to install Java. So just you can go to the like in system only, just to type for the like this only, you need to type and download Java. And after that you need to click on install and automatically click on next. It is installation will be completed. So like this you need to install for the Java. And after that, so you need to how to download for the Apache JMeter means you need to go to the Google and just you can type for the Apache. Otherwise you can type just directly JMeter. Okay, download, you can click it. Okay. Done for the proxy, that is why you are not getting. So I will remove that proxy. So proxy settings. Actually, I set for the some proxy setting. So I remove that settings. Type for the proxy. See, I set for the some proxy setting. That is why our browser is not opening. So I need to off this manual proxy, and I want for the automatic detected proxy. And you can click on save. Then again you can check if it is changes happen or not. See, automatically proxies happen. Now we can open for the like see download Apache JMeter. Once you can click on JMeter download, you are able to see the download Apache JMeter. And after that, you can come to down. This is the Apache JMeter 5.5 version. And we have the, if you want for this version means we need to select for the, this is the, we have the two types will be there. TZH and zip file will be there. You need to click on this and automatically it will download it like this. So it automatically it is downloaded Apache JMeter. See, this is the after extracted JMeter, we are able to see the Apache JMeter. After that, what you need to know means you need to click on the Apache JMeter and again click on this and go to the bin folder. And here you need to open for the JMeter file. So we have the some JMeter file will be there. This is the JMeter file. You need to open this JMeter file means you can click on for the JMeter. This is the JMeter file. And click on continue. So already I've opened JMeter. See, this is the JMeter file. Once you open this JMeter file, you are able to see the like this. And starting, and go as I want to see. Okay. So when you can open the JMeter, it's look like this. So then we need to in JMeter, we have the some. This is the template. So you can click on template, everything will be, the tree model will be, it will come. So you can, I'm clicking for the this template and it is asking for the recording, means you are doing for the recording, right? You can select for the recording. See, this is the recording option and click on create button and you can remove this URL and click on create button. See, automatically everything in the test plan, we are seeing for the user defined variable and HTTP request details, HTTP cookie manager, and the thread group, in the thread group, we need to see for the recording controller. So in that, this is the some treat pattern, like in the test plan only, everything it is coming. So you can see in the test plan only, we are able to see the thread group and view results tree and HTTP script recorder. So I am enabled. So it is a disabled, I enable. So this will be tree structure. So in the test plan, we have the, this is the cookies point of view and HTTP request default point of view. We want to create any user defined variables, means we need to use this one. And after that thread group, we have the recording controller. Recording controller means what are the transactions we are doing application, you need to record the in this transaction, like in the recording control, you need to give for the transaction names, launch, login, these all things. And view result tree means like it is a controller. Otherwise, it is the output window. You want to see for the output window. Then you can click on the view results tree and you need to see for the results will be pass or fail. When request is pass or fail, you need to see. And HTTP script recorder means you need to record for the script, means you can using this HTTP script recorder only you need to record. So how you need to record means you can click on start recording button, it automatically recording happen. So before that, once your installation is completed, you are open this one, then we need some prerequisites will be there. JMeter means directly we can't do further testing. So what you need to do means you can go to the IE Internet Explorer and open this, and after that go to the internet. In that settings, internet options, in that we have the content. In the content we have the certificates. In the content we have the certificates. You can click on this and here you are able to see the root certificate, trusted root certificate. Here you can observe JMeter root CA certificate, means you need to keep for this file in the root trusted certificate. If you not keep this one, you are unable to record your script. And this will be expire also will be there. Like see, it is the expire date, which date it is showing? 6th and 7th, 2020. 7th month is 6. Means today only I actually imported this file. So that is why it is showing for the how many days this is the it will be there, means it is only 1 week accessible. After that you need to upload this script. How to we can upload means you can go to the import and click on next button and you can click on browse. So this file, it will be there in Apache where you record installed, right? You can click on Apache JMeter in that bin folder and you are able to see for the Apache JMeter temporary CA certificate. So maybe you are doing for the, this will be expired. Then how to you need to, this will be activate means, see once you can go there and again I will explain, no problem. Okay, again I will go there. When you are click on start recording button, see it is asking for the root CA certificate, Apache JMeter temporary root CA certificate in bin directory. So means it is automatically updated once you can click on the start button. Now you can go there and you can see that file in the JMeter. Now you can see this. See, time is on 1935. It is updated for this certificate, root CA certificate. So this certificate we need to import every time. See, this is the 1935. It is updated. So now we'll go to the Internet Explorer. So I already imported that file. You can go to the import and click on next and click on browse. And after that, you need to go to the Apache JMeter. In that bin folder, you need to select for the Apache JMeter root CA certificate and click on open. And after that, click on next and click on next and click on finish. So already the import was successfully completed. Then click on OK. You can close this and click on OK. So you need to import like this for the this certificate for every 1 week once, because this certificate will be expiring every 1 week. So that is why every 1 week will be your certificate will be expired. So you need to go to the bin folder and you need to import for the there. Got it for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, now, so that is the first thing. And next thing will be how we are doing for the scripting in load runner, right? Same way we not do here. So we need to set for the some port settings also in our browser. So this is the port setting. How much it is there? 8888. So same thing, which browser you want, you need to select that browser. Now I am selecting for the Google Chrome and after that you can go to the here and the settings. In the settings, proxy settings, you need to type as a proxy. So you are able to see proxy setting. You can click on this and go to the manual proxy. You need to enable this manual proxy, and this will be every time will be same http:/localhost. And here you need to give for the what is the port number you are giving here, and same port number you need to give for here also. For example, you are giving here 8888 and you need to give for the year also 8888. Otherwise, you are giving for the year 8090 and same port number you need to give for that one, because we need to record the script. Means it is a communication between the tool and the application. Tool and application and browser. So through port only it is communicated and it will recorded your script. So these are the prerequisites, and you can save this and click on OK. And again, you want to see this, means you can come to proxy settings. It is applied or not, you need to see it is applied, and you can auto detect, you can remove, and it's done. Now you can open any one site. You are unable to open because we are done for the proxy. So any site will be not open. So but only which application you are doing, that application, when you recording the script, right, that time it will open that script. Now you can go there. Now you can go there. Now we need to, these are prerequisites for the load runner. So two settings is the prerequisites before recording. What are there? You need to import for the root certificate in the trusted root certificate. Where? Trusted root certificate. That is the first thing. And second thing, you need to like put for the like you need to do for the proxy, like which port number you are giving here. You need to enable for the port number in the browser. Like you need to go to the settings. In the proxy settings, you need to enable the manual proxy settings, and you need to give for the port number. See, already I done this one. So once you done, right, you can open any of this URL. For example, I will open for the google.com or anything. So you can click on this, you are unable to open. So you are getting for the, why it is open, settings. And so if you are opening, means your proxy setting is not done properly. You can come here and check there. Okay, automatically open and everything is done. We are saved. 090 local host. Okay, everything is done. So we'll close this and again we'll open for the Chrome. So if you done proxy settings, definitely you are will be unable to open this. For the port number, apply, localhost, and save. Now we'll open any URL. See, now you are able to see you are unable to open any site because you are doing for the some proxy settings. So for example, you are entering for the, you done proxy means you are unable to open for the any site, you are unable to open because we done for the proxy. Google.com and see, everything will be disabled, means your internet and everything will be disabled because see, checking for the proxy address. So for this time, what you need to do means you need to do for this application means, so now we need to start our testing. So once our proxy settings, everything is done, and you need to give for the there we are given for the doublet and doublet. I given for the same port number. So this is the skeleton. So what are the things you are recording the transactions like launch, login, flight booking? What are the things you are doing? Everything is recording in the recording controller. How means you can see here, use the recording controller. So it is a recording for the there. You can select for the test plan in the thread group. It is recording for the recording controller. So once you can select this one and we are set for the proxy settings and this all things is completed, you need to start recording. This is the start recording button. Click on this and click on OK. So now you can go to the application. Now what we are doing, you are doing for the launch, right? You need to give for the such launch. 1 minute. So we are doing for the launch application. So I'm doing for the some pest store application. So I'm doing for the pest store application. So this is the application, pest store application. Now you can observe. So we are able to opening for this URL, but when you are opening, only when you need to recording the script with this, then only you are able to opening this script. And now what we are doing for the login, right? You can go there and give for the transaction name is a login, and you need to give for the username and password. I given for the username Kiran 345 and password also I given same Kiran 345 and click on login. See, login is successfully. The next what we need to do, we need to click on any fish, means you can click on finish fish. Otherwise you can directly, I'm showing for the your point of view. Click on sign out to BRD. Click on sign out. Simple business scenario I am recording. See, sign out is completed. Now you need to check for the you are able to recording or not. You can go there application and where it is recording already told in recording controller, you are able to see the launch, login and sign out. You are able to see everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now your scenario is completed. You are done for the sign out, means you need to end the recording, means you need to stop. This is the stop button. Then now you can go to the here and you can please check for the this one. So you are see the different URLs, but we need check for the only our URL. So this is our URL. Outlook means this is our URL. No, right?
No, sir.
No.
Means you need to delete. No need this one, because in load runner we have the like junk data when it is coming, right? We need to check this one. Regenerate is happen, but here we don't have that opportunity. So you need to check this. This is the URL ours or not. You need to check and you need to remove that one. So this is not ours. So I'm removing this. And after that, again, we need to check this. This is also not ours. So see, Outlook, not ours. So you can remove this. And this is the, you can observe, this is our URL.
No.
No, what is our URL?
No.
Pet store one. This is also
Pet
not
store.
ours. So I'm removing this also. And after that, this is our URL. No, this is the Google.
No.
This is also
Google.
not ours. So you can remove this. And this is also not ours. Only we need to keep only our URL only. This is the, see, this is
No.
This is also not.
No.
See, this is also google.com.
Not ours.
No, not ours. See, this is also google.com only. This is also Apache. It's not.
This is also.
This is also not. Maybe this play google.com. This is also not ours. Means this launch everything will be not ours. So that is why I'm removing entire launch. We have one more launch is there. You can open this and again we need to check same way. This is not ours. This is not ours. Not. Not. This is not. This is not. People client google.com. This is also not ours. People client the google.com. So play google.com. This is also not. See, you can,
Pet store.
this is ours, petstore.com. Means you need to remove up to 317. You need to remove. So very bad advantage. This is the very bad advantage for the JMeter, because we only find for the our URL and we need to remove others. See, this is ours. Again, no.
No.
Again, this is ours. No.
No.
This is ours. No. This is ours. No.
No.
This is ours. No. So this is ours. No. This is ours. No.
No.
Only this is ours. Only this one. Then
Yes.
you can remove this all data. And what is this? This is also not ours. So see, you can observe by seeing we need to identify this is the pest store some.com. This is our. And after that login. So launch we done, everything is done. Then you need to click on login and again we need to check for the this is ours or not. Microsoft.
No.
This is not ours. The Outlook is not ours.
Out.
This is proud Microsoft. This is also not ours. Outlook. This is also not ours. See, this is ours.
Pet store.
So means up to there we need to remove this from. And this is ours. And you can check this. This is also ours. And again, this is ours. No, right?
No.
This is
No.
this is also Google Client.com. Means this entire thing we need to. So login is also done. Then after that we done for the sign out. You can click on this. This is ours. Yes.
Pet store.
This is ours. Yes. This is no.
No.
This is no. This is
No.
window.com. This is also not ours. See, this is also not ours. So means you need to remove here onwards, here onwards, you need to remove. After that, observe this is ours. No, no,
No.
no, no,
No.
no. So means this entire sign out you can remove. In that we don't have any request. So now we are segregated. Everything is completed.
By default, it's coming in the time of recording.
Yeah, by default it will recording it will come. But what you need to do is you need to close all tabs and what are the things will be there in your system, right? In my system, I have what are the things there. Everything will be recorded. Microsoft and Zoom and every call we are able to see. So when you are recording the script JMeter, so you can remove all browsers. What are the things will be there? You no need to open any folder also, single folder also. So then you didn't get for the junk data. Otherwise, you will get for the junk data.
Okay.
now we need to see. This is no need for this. Now everything we have now, see, now we have the launch, login, and sign out. I recorded. Now everything is fine. Now you can check this. This is ours only, page store, and this is the login, and this is also ours. And you can see username, password also I given, username and password and login. And after that, we are done for the again login. And after that, sign out. This is the sign out transaction. This is the sign out transaction. So now we need to give for the this transaction names. We need to click on thread group. In that, we add thread group. Here will be, we have the samplers. In that, we have the different things will be there. I will explain one by one, no problem. Okay. We have the controller, transaction controller will be there. Anyone able to see transaction controller? See, in logic controller, we are able to sync for the transaction controller. So you can click on this and you can add. And after that, you can copy and paste. How many transactions you need to copy? This many. Control V. See how many transactions? See, click here and you need to give for the transaction name. What are the transactions we have? T01 launch URL. And after that, what we are doing? Transaction 02. What you are doing? Login.
Login.
Login. And after that, what we are doing? Logout.
Logout.
So now this code you need to keep here. So this is the launch one, right? You can drag and drop here, launch. And after launch is completed, login, you have how many transactions? You can take these 2 transactions and drag and drop and keep in the transaction login. And go to the logout and take this 2 and drag and drop and keep in the logout. Now you can remove this because this will be no need now. Now you are able to see the launch URL in that this is the transaction. So like this we need to do for the scripting. After that, now we need to start for the scripting enhancements like correlation, parameterization, and because this is the transaction name. But in load runner, we are giving for the start transaction and transaction, right? So, but we have that only transaction controller will be there. You need to give for the transaction name just. So once it's completed, now we need to do for the execution. So before doing for the scripting announcements, we can do for the once execution. See, this is the view results tree. Results, you need to, this view results tree only we are able to see for the results. So you need to start execution means you need to click on this start button and click on S, and it is asking for the, this is the script we need to save before start that step. So you need to give for the, I'm giving for the with dot JMX it will save. So you need to give for the, I'm giving for the page store and I'm giving for the 2906 dot JMX. So what is the extension of JMeter file means? What is that? Dot JMX.
JMeter.
And click on save. Okay, so now it is completed. See, its execution is done. See, we are done for the launch and login and see in sign out. So now you are able to see for the each and every transactions, like see it is a pass. It means you are able to see for this like this. And this is the request. So you are sending for the request. If you want to see the response means you can click on that and you are getting for the response like this. Okay, you can expand, and if you want to see for the each transaction is also you are able to see for the response. So means you can execute, means you can see like this. Now before that you need to do for the some scripting enhancements. So now we need to check for the scripting enhancements. So first thing, scripting enhancements, we need to find the dynamic value, right? We can do for the in correlation, means you can do doing for the in JMeter or load runner also. What you need to do means you need to check for the dynamic values. So in this request, you are able to see any dynamic value. Here we are able to see the name and value. That is we can consider as the dynamic value. So after that login, you can come and click on this. And this is the username and password you are entered, or it is we are picking through application. We are entered. So means we are entered means what we need to do?
Parameters.
Parameterization. Very good. So means you are doing for the, for example, you are doing for the here you are an observe some value displaying. Means this is the dynamic values. This value will be dynamic value. And after that, you can see again you are able to see any dynamic. In this we are don't have anything. Log out, you are seeing anything? Nothing. Only we are fine for the in login page only. We are seeing for the two dynamic values. So now how to we can do for the correlation. So I will explain for the tomorrow class. So just I today explain for the only prerequisites and how to record and how to we can create for the transaction names and how to we need to do. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining everyone. You can install and yourself and you can try. And if anyone facing any issue, you can contact me. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
These JMeter notes.
Yeah, I will share that document. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.